lights on them, but there's a really big bull up ahead here, and we will be able to see. This camera does a great job picking up lights. Just let me bring it forward a little bit. There we go. Look at those beautiful big tusks. He's a monster. The biggest elephant I've seen since I've been back in the Sabi Sands the last few months. There's a beautiful, pungent, sweet smell coming off either him or another bull that's amongst this herd. The smell of must, which smells kind of like the smell of a saddle as you take it off a horse, a sweaty horse. It's a sweet smell, quite a pleasant smell. But sadly in the evening we won't use the spotlights on certain animals. Just getting the hang of the new light switch that Mark installed. That's a bit better. And the reason why we don't shine the spotlight, for those of you who are new to the safari experience, the reason why we don't shine the spotlights on a lot of the herbivores, or all of the herbivores, is because it really does blind them, and therefore it takes their eyes a long time to regain good low light vision or night sight, and especially with the prey animals, elephants to a lesser degree, but especially on impala and any of your more common prey species. By shining a spotlight on them, you're completely blinding them and then drive off, leaving them feeling terrified and not knowing what's around the next corner that may be trying to gobble them up. Have you guys managed to see any stivets or jennets, bush babies, Brian? Bush babies. Oh, nice. Not the best sighting. Yeah. Okay. But that's good that you at least got a glimpse of one. Yeah. Cool. And I saw a really nice screenshot Brian showed me this morning of one of the viewers managed to get, one of you guys managed to get a great screenshot of a chameleon that Mark spotted just the other night. A really great photograph of a little chameleon. So well done to Mark for finding it, and well done to whoever it was that got the really great screenshot. I'm sure there's potentially several of you that got a similar shot, but the one that I saw really was a good one. There's a bark spider, and we might be able to watch it building its nest, its web rather. Should I rather use this broad spotlight, right? Excuse me. So this is a bark spider, and it was very busy earlier building its web, and bark spiders are known for building their nests in the evening and then gobbling them up first thing in the morning, so taking them down essentially and then rebuilding them again the following evening. So it's a very active spider relative to the golden hawk spider that we saw earlier, that builds its web and then once it's up it stays up. All that they'll do is a little bit of maintenance on them. also a few birds that we may be able to see now that we're driving around with a little bit more darkness. Some of the smaller owls or even the big owls. It would be cool to see. Brian, any luck with owls over the last few weeks? None to speak of. Okay, good. Well, that is something that we need to rectify. So, you'll probably find me now shining up only in the trees and not on the ground. I'll try and mix it up to cover all the bases. Another thing we may find in a tree not only is an owl, but it could be a leopard. Or a bush baby. And I think Brent could well be out in the morning, so I know a lot of you are looking forward to seeing him in action a bit more, and so do I. He's very knowledgeable and adds a good new element to the team here. So I think it will be his turn tomorrow morning, and I'm not sure what will happen in the afternoon. Hopefully we'll have both vehicles up and running. But until tomorrow, I would just like to say a very big thank you from myself for the very warm welcome back to WildEarth, and also to Brian, who's done a great job on camera this afternoon. Always good to work with you, Brian, and to be back out here having an adventure with you again. So thanks to Brian and to Andrew in the final control, and to Alex Voss, who's been slaving away today trying to get the vehicle up and running. A big thank you. So from myself and Brian and everyone else on the team, good night and thanks for joining. Until next time, take care.